Have you ever looked at the clock and thought, where did all the time go? Hours turn into days, days into months, and before you know it, years have passed. It feels like time is slipping through your fingers, doesn't it? Well, here's the truth. Time doesn't slip away. You let it. And today, I'm going to show you how to take back control of your time and your life. Let's start with the facts. Time is the most valuable thing you have. You can lose money and make it back. You can fail and try again. But time, once it's gone forever. That's why it's so important to use it wisely. But here's the thing, most people don't. They waste time scrolling on their phones, procrastinating, or saying, I'll do it tomorrow. But tomorrow isn't guaranteed. And every time you push something off, you're stealing from your future self. Let me ask you this. What would happen if you treated your time like money? Every second spent is an investment. Are you spending it on things that matter? Or are you letting it slip through your fingers? Here's the secret. Time doesn't manage itself. You have to take control. Start by asking yourself one simple question every morning. What's the most important thing I need to do today? Not the easiest, not the most fun, the most important. Because here's the truth. Your priorities shape your life. If you don't set them, distractions will set them for you. And distractions are thieves. Social media, TV, endless emails, they steal your time one small chunk at a time. You don't notice it until it's too late. Think of it like this. Imagine your day as a jar. The big rocks are your goals, dreams, and relationships. The sand is everything else, small tasks, distractions, and noise. If you fill the jar with sand first, there's no room for the rocks. But if you start with the rocks, the sand will fit around them. That's how you take control of your time. Now let's talk about something even more important, saying no. You can't do everything, and that's okay. Every time you say yes to something that doesn't matter, you're saying no to something that does. Saying no isn't selfish, it's smart. It's how you protect your time for what truly matters. And let me be real with you, taking control of your time isn't easy. It means making tough choices. It means putting your phone down, turning off networks, and focusing on what actually moves you forward. It means trading comfort with progress. But here's the good news. The more you do it, the easier it gets. When you start using your time wisely, you'll feel more in control. You'll see progress in your goals. And you'll finally stop feeling like life is passing you by. The clock is ticking. Whether you use your time or waste it, it's gonna pass. The question is, what will you do with it? Will you let it slip away, or will you grab it and make it yours? Remember this, time isn't your enemy, it's your greatest ally if you choose to use it wisely. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because the perfect moment is now. If you're ready to take back control of your time and make every second count, let's make today the day we stop wasting time and start living with purpose, because your time is your life and it's time to make it count. Let's get to work.